What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. Going to go over Fantom, guys. There's a corrective scenario that I've been overlooking here that I want to bring to your guys' attention. So currently we're sitting at 261. We're up about 0.5 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.56 billion. 24-hour volume, 551 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, incredible time to get involved. They've recently partnered with Matt Damon. They're the world's fastest crypto growing app. Their native coin Crow is up 21% on the day. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards, free cashback in crypto, travel incentives, Spotify, Netflix, depending on the level of card you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we have our bullish divergence on the 4 hour, which is still in effect. We're creating lower lows while creating higher lows on the RSI. So we could see a little bit of a bounce, but if we come down and we invalidate it, we roll over, we come down to 234, this previous swing high, gives you another opportunity to dollar cost average into your trade. We entered at 295, again at 264, bringing your average price down to about 277. And if we come down to 234, your average price will come down to 264. Even if we come all the way down to 192, it will bring your average price down so you're ready for the slingshot back up. Now, the correction that I want to make you guys aware of, now this doesn't mean that it has to play out, but we can use Elliott wave theory. You can see we came all the way up to the 1.618 extension from our Fibonacci pull from our May swing high down to our major correction bottom here. And you can see we've gone through our first 3 waves. We have impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, impulsive wave 5. And as you can see here, we came pretty close to the 0.786. We came down to the 0.5 on the fib. We came up to the 0.1272. We came back down to the 1, which was the previous all-time high, and we've come all the way up to the 1.618. So a possibility here, guys, is that we have a corrective wave that can bring us all the way back down to about $1.58. I'm going to drop it in here. Now, it doesn't mean we have to come all the way back down, but in many cases, when a coin comes up, it reaches the 1.618, it sees a corrective wave down to the 1.272. But we could also bounce off the 1.414, which is a previous level of support and a previous swing high coming in about $2. As I have been mentioning earlier here on the daily, I have this Fibonacci pulled from the swing high in September, and I was talking about how we came up to the 1.618 and we come back down to the 1.414 and we're holding the 20 EMA. However, guys, when you do zoom out and you look at the larger time frame, and you look at this impulsive wave, we may be in store for a corrective wave that could bring us down to $2 or the 1.272, which is sitting at 156. It's just something that I wanted to bring to your guys' attention. The third wave is usually the largest, and as you can see here, we had an absolutely massive pump. So we may be in store for a corrective wave here. The thing we would need to do to invalidate it is bounce off the EMAs here and see continuation, and then we can head up to the 2 extension. But if we do see that corrective wave, it gives us a beautiful opportunity to bounce off the 1.272 if we were to come down to that level of support. And you're looking at about a 287% gain to the 2 extension, which is coming in here at about 587, which is our bull run target here for Fantom. So if you do see us start to lose the 20 EMA here on the daily, do target $2. The 1.414, it also lines up with the 55 EMA. And then our best case scenario here for Fantom is that this bullish divergence plays out. We bounce off the 1.414, we break this double bottom. However, we do have a major level of support here at 234, previous swing high. There was a lot of selling in this area, so that may be flipped to buy pressure when it comes down to 234, and it gives you another opportunity to dollar cost average into your trade. That way you get more money into your trade, your average price comes down, and you get ready to ride the slingshot back up for Fantom. So that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members currently loading. We're talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, breakouts. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.